every decision has a cost. Now today, I want to talk a little bit about how we make decisions. When it comes to making decisions, especially the complex ones, we tend to make a pros and cons list, or maybe we're thinking about all the different avenues of one benefit over the other when it comes to decisions. And our inner critic, or our mind, if you will, is going to tell us if we really think this through and have played out all the pros and cons, we are going to get to a place where one decision is going to be better than the other and it will have no cost. Your brain is lying to you because every decision has a cost. It might be a cost that is good or bad, but there's always a cost. Here's what I mean. Let's say you want to take a particular job that happens to be in a different city. If you take that job, the cost might be that you're going to be moving to a new city, so you're going to have to make new friends, maybe you'll have to build a new community, but the benefits might be that this is going to be a job that's setting you up for the next step in your career. It's going to be in an environment that really challenges you and allows you to thrive in terms of your career. On the other side, if you don't take that job, there's also a cost to the fact that maybe you are still part of your community and you're very connected to the people that are part of your life, but the cost might be that you're not growing as much as you'd like in terms of your career. At the end of all of this, you're going to come to realize there's a cost in either direction. The way we make decisions is by asking ourselves, which is the cost or consequence I am willing to live with? We sit in our decisions for a very long time because we're trying to figure out the variation that doesn't have a cost. But the reality is every decision has a cost and a consequence. The way we're making decisions at the end of the day is really figuring out which cost and consequence we are willing to live with. Most often, the cost and consequence we are willing to live with is the decision we end up making. Let me know in the comments below how you have come to understand cost in either decision and either direction, and how do you make your decision at the end. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel and follow me on social media at The Indian Counselor.